Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another requested reaction. It's another one from Gabriel Henrique, and we have Fly Like a Bird by Mariah Carey. So with that being said, give me a like, comment down below some more suggestions, and let's get into it. Ooh, I like this look.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. We know my heart is struggling, free of all retrospects and so grand, because I feel that unconditional love from one who cares enough for me. True it is in my birth and letting me free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high. You by my side, sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home. I know love. I need you right here by my side.
Ooh, he had to do us like this. He did not have to do us like that. Gabrielle, that was amazing. Like, I like how at the end they had a little gospel choir come in and like do the rest of the riffs. Like, oh, that just put the icing on the cake. That was just so good. Wow, incredible. Of course, he did it yet again with another fantastic Mariah Carey cover. Like, Mariah, you winning with the hits too. Like, and the fact that he can, come in and do his thing on this one. Like, that was just so good. I'm telling y'all, this was so good. I really enjoyed this. So with that being said, guys, give me a like, comment down below some more suggestions, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.